Hello and welcome. I'm Vipul Mathur. Let's discuss a multiple choice question on property, plant, and equipment. How should a long-lived asset that is to be disposed of by abandonment be classified? How do you classify that? A long-lived asset that is to be disposed of by abandonment. You have four answer options. So you are disposing of the asset by abandonment. This is not a sale. So you're not selling this asset, but you stop to use this asset. You're not using this asset anymore, but you are also not selling this asset. Now let's look at the answer options. Held for sale. Should you classify such an asset as held for sale? Answer is no, because you're not selling it. You have stopped using it, but you're not selling it. Answer option B. This long-lived asset that is to be disposed of by abandonment is certainly not a discontinued operation. This is not a discontinued operation. Held and used? Yes, a long-lived asset that is to be disposed of by abandonment. You're not actually selling it. You will continue to classify it as held and used. Although you have stopped using it, but you still classify it as held and used. This is what is required under US GAAP. But you report this asset at its salvage value. So report this at salvage value. All right, answer option D. Extraordinary item. No, you do not report this long-lived asset as an extraordinary item. This is to be reported as held and used because it is not for sale. You're not selling it. Although you're not using it, still you classify it as held and used. All right, students, I hope this is helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye. Take care.